Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you a different way to create realistic denim textures in Blender using texture projection. It might feel a bit heavy, but the results are super realistic and consistent, especially with AI. Let's check the result first and then you can decide if it's worth it. Let's get started. I have created a new add-on called the MVR Toolkit. With this add-on, you can take a mesh and also do texture projection. This add-on helps you easily project textures onto your model. So let's see how this works. Okay, here we have two options. One is multi-view render, where we can render each view, and auto texture projection helps project the textures. So let's get started. So in this model, I'm going to project a realistic texture onto this. I downloaded this model from the Flow 3D library. You can download it, it is freely available. You can directly import the FBX or OBJ, or you can also export it as a flow file. That's up to you. So this is the model. Now I'm going to start working on the texture. Okay, before that, this looks very plain right now. So I'm going to add some cavity so we can capture more detail when talking. Here you can see the texture more clearly. Now we can increase the range and value so we get more depth. And I'm going to enable shadows as well. Now more details are visible. I'm reducing the intensity. Uh, This is enough. Okay, first select the model, go to multi-view render. Here we need to choose a path where the images will be saved. Now here you can choose 4K resolution because I want more detail. Choose RGBA because we want a transparent background. If you don't need transparency, you can use RGB. Next is frame fit scale. This controls how much the image fits inside the UV space. I will set it to 1, but I will reduce it slightly to 0.94. This is enough. Now I will choose the views. I don't need top and bottom because they are not very visible. So I will select front, left, back and right. So by default, it uses wireframe renderer. So I will switch it to solid. Make sure sync with viewport is enabled. If it is disabled, it will render the default view. If enabled, it will render exactly what you see. Now I am going to render this. We get a notification rendering completed successfully. If you open the folder, you can see all the images like front, back and top. Before I used a long name which caused confusion. So now I will rename it to something simple like test. Now I will delete the previous render and render again. Now you can see the files clearly named like test back solid. Now there is no naming confusion and everything is rendered properly. Okay, next step we have to arrange it like this because we are going to ask AI to create an image. We can do it individually, but the consistency will not be that good. So that's why I'm using all the images in a single image. Okay, here I'm using a prompt generator. I will ask it to create a texture. I have 4 views and I want a high quality result. So the prompt is very important. If you have your own reference, you can ask AI to generate a proper prompt. Okay, now I'm going to copy this prompt. Here I am using Gemini Nano Banana for texture generation. So here I am going to paste this prompt, and this is the image with all the views. So I'm going to upload it here. Also, I will mention that I want consistency. Consistency is very important so the output looks uniform and then generate the image. We might get some extra parts, but we still get a proper result, so that's fine. So this is my prompt. Let's see what the result we get. Yes, now he has generated the picture. You can see how awesome it looks. So next step, you can download it. And if you want, you can upscale it using some software. In Photoshop also, there is an upscale option. So we can upscale if you want. Okay, next step, in Photoshop, you need to arrange it like this. For example, these are all the screenshots and these are the rendered images. I placed both the texture and the render images in the same position. If I reduce the opacity, you can see both are aligned properly. So just check if it is fitting or not. If it is not fitting, you can generate it again and adjust your font to get a better. This fully depends on your font and also your vision and idea. Okay, next step. Now we have the rendered images like front, back and sides. I'm going to copy these and create a new folder. I will name this folder structure, then paste all the screenshots images inside. Now import the front image into Photoshop. Then take the AI generated texture and drag it begin. Now match it with the render image. This is the easiest way to export textures. Select the both layers and merge them. Then press Ctrl plus save. It will automatically save with the same way. This is very helpful. Now do the same process for the back side. Import the back image, drag the texture, align it properly, and save it. You can keep both images or delete extra ones in small chunks. Just save it and you will get the back texture. Do the same for the side images and also for the right side. And now everything is done. Next, I am going to apply this texture to the model using the texture projection method. In the add-on panel, you can see auto texture projection. Expand this and here this helps to match the texture easily using projection. Let's see how it works. First, we need to create UVs. Go to data UV maps. You can see there is only one main UV. So first step, we need to create a new UV with the same proper scale. Earlier, we used a frame scale value like 0.94. I'm going to copy that value and paste it here. So when I import the image, it fits properly into the UV. That's why we use the same scale. Now click Create Projection UV. It will automatically create the UVs. If you go to UV editing and select everything, you can see front, back, left and the right UVs are already created. It uses projection from view to generate UVs from each side. Now go back to the panel. Next step, load image sources. We need to select the folder location where the images are saved. I am going to copy the path, paste it here and click accept. Once accepted, next we click auto detect images. What happens is it automatically detects all images and assigns them based on naming. Next, third step, we need to create the final material. Now I'm going to choose the image resolution. This is the final texture, so I will select 4K. Then choose final scale projection material. Now go to shading. You can see front, back and inside textures are created. This step is very important. We can create it manually, but this makes it much easier. Without this, we can't do texture projection properly. You can move this step aside, but do not delete it. This is very important. Now, this is the final texture setup. We are going to apply this texture, but I will use a slightly different method. I will split it because I want to use substance painter later. So I am going to add 4 images and then do texture painting. I will discard this one, so ignore this. Now again go to layers. Here select create new layer from image. We already have naming like front, back, left, right, so you can also use custom names if needed. Make sure to enable transparent. This is very important. Then choose texture resolution. I will select 4K. Now click create layer. After creating, go to shading. You can see the images are created. You can also do it manually using Shift plus A image texture and create a new image. But this method is easier. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus click to preview the node. Then go to texture paint mode. Make sure the UV map is set to main UV. This is very important. Do not select other UV maps. The texture is not visible yet because we use transparency. Press the material preview. Now you can see the texture. It looks black because we are going to paint now. In texture paint, choose the clone brush. Then in the right panel, go to tool, enable clone from paint slot. Now you can see all views, front, back, right. This comes from the shading setup. If you delete it, it won't work. That's why I say do not delete it. Now we focus on the front view. Select front and start with this one. Make sure you drop it properly. It will align automatically. So the front view is done. Now I'm going to export this layer to a folder because I want to use it in Substance Painter layer by layer. So go to shading and make sure the texture is selected. If it is not selected, please select the texture. Then export this texture. Go to save images to folder. Now I'm going to make the folder substance input layers. And here I'm going to name this as frame. Next, go to layer, go to the Addon panel. Now I want the back layer, so select the back and create a new layer. Now go to shading and you can see a new layer is created. Same process, press Ctrl plus Shift plus left click and it will connect automatically. Now this is the layer preview. Go to texture paint and this time select back. Now go to back view, press Ctrl plus 1. Then start painting like this. The backside is also done. So now I'm going to export this image. Go to image and click save as. I'm going to name it back. Now I'm going to focus on the left and the right sides. Go to layers and here I'm going to change the name to left layer. Now go to shading and press Ctrl Shift plus left click. Now it is selected. Then go to texture paint and here you need to select left. If you want to find the correct left or right view, you can check with the reference images. This is the left view. Press Ctrl plus 3 and you will get the left view. Now just start painting like this. Actually, now I have completed the left and right sides. And I have also exported the textures. So now we have 4 layers completed. Now bring everything into Substance Painter, then apply these layers to the model. After that, do some adjustments and then we will get the final result. So let's get started. So now select the OBJ file. I'm going to keep the default settings and click OK. Once it's loaded, first we need to save the file. I'm going to save it as a Substance Painter project file. Next, go to texture set settings. Here click Bake Mesh Maps. Since I don't have high poly model, I will use the low poly mesh as high poly. Then click bake and bake the textures. Now go back to painting mode. In Blender, we had a default texture. So drag that into Substance Painter. Here we can adjust styling. This is just a base fabric texture. We can modify it later if needed. Now I am going to import the 4 texture layers. Select all images, choose texture and import them. Now I will add a fill layer, then add a black mask. So it only affects selected areas. I will name this layer front. Now duplicate this layer and rename it to back. Duplicate again. This will be left. And duplicate once more. This will be right. Now I will assign each textures to the correct layers. Front, back, left and right. I am going to group them and name it layers. Now I will add a paint layer using the brush. I will paint manually. I will switch to base color view so I can clearly see the texture. Increase the brush size and start painting. Now the front is done. Next, apply the back texture. Add a paint mask and fill the area. We can do this in Blender, but adjustments are easier in Substance Painter. Now do the same for right side, add mask paint. Ignore small color variation for now. We will fix them later. Now I will turn off the right layer so we can see the difference clearly. You can see color variation especially on the back side. To fix this, we use levels adjustments. Add a levels filter and adjust slightly. Don't overdo it, keep it subtle. Now it looks better. For the back side, it is still dark, so I will adjust levels again. Small adjustments will fix the color balance. You can also use the stamp tool to fix small issues. Now fix the left side as well and also adjust the right side. Finally, apply levels overall to balance everything. Now I am going to add another layer and set it to pass through. Then adjust the brightness using levels. Add a black mask and paint where needed. This helps fix darker areas and remove blur issues. If you see blurred parts, just paint over them carefully. Finally, adjust levels again to refine the results. Now actually it is done, but we can clearly see some patches. We can fix this using AI. If you go to 2D view, you can see some more areas are not projected properly and it looks patchy. So first we need to export the textures. Go to export and here are my export settings. We only need the base color map. So I'm going to export these maps. Now, if you open the folder, you can see the base color map, but the texture is not clean. Now import this into Photoshop. Then go back to Blender, select the mesh and go to UV editing. Here you need to export the UV layout. Set the resolution to 4K. It is better for quality. Then export the UV layout. Now import this UV layout into Photoshop. Now we can see the UV layout clearly. We need to create a mask from this UV layout. Select the outside area, then press Ctrl Shift plus I to invert the selection. Now create a mask. Now we get proper UV shaped texture. It looks like a UV layout, but the texture is applied inside it. This part is a little tricky, so just experiment with it. You can fix small issue easily. Here you can see unwanted loop textures, so we can fix them in Photoshop. Just remove unwanted parts. Here also I want clear loops, so I will crop from a reference and paste it here and apply it to all loop areas. Once everything is fixed, you can export the texture. If you want more detail, you can enhance it in Photoshop. Now export the final map. Then go to Gemini and import the image. Here type something like prompt. This helps align the texture correctly. If you have your own reference, you can use that as well. The idea is to fix patchy areas using the UV layout as a guide. Now let's see the result. Honestly, I'm surprised. The output is really good. I got a seamless texture and you can see the details are amazing. If you just move the UVs normally, you won't get this kind of result. But using this method, it understands the patches properly and generates better texture. That's why this model helps a lot in creating good result. If you want, you can upscale it. That's up to you. Now I'm going to import this map into Photoshop because I want to make some edits. For example, the buttons are not placed properly, so I'm going to fix them. After importing, we need to align it properly with the UV. Right now, it looks a bit low quality, but we can still adjust it. You can see the buttons are not correct, so I will fix them manually. Once done, I will export this map again. Then import into Substance Painter and add a fill layer. In the fill layer, drag the texture into base color. Now you can see the result clearly. Keep this layer at the bottom under the main layers. Now we can see everything clearly, but there is one issue. The UV and texture are not perfectly aligned. That's why we get some errors. We can fix this in Photoshop. Reduce opacity and align it properly with the UV. Then export the map again and reload it in Substance Painter. Drag it again into base color. Now it looks correct. I really like these results. Some small details are still missing, but with a bit of manual work, we can improve it further. This process is all about experimenting and it works really well. Now, this is just the base map. We can add roughness, color variation, and more details in Substance Painter. Now, I'm going to group all layers into one main group. I will name it main group, then I will add an anchor point. This helps to generate roughness and other details. And add a fill layer. Add a black mask, then add a fill inside the mask. In the fill, choose grayscale and select the anchor point map. Now, if you view the mask, press Alt and click. You can clearly see the alpha map. That's why anchor points are very useful to create masks from pictures. Now I'm going to add some extra details based on roughness and texture variation. First, I will slightly adjust the base color. This is just for color variation. I know the buttons are still not perfect, so I will fix them with small adjustments. And that's it. We are done. If you enjoyed this tutorial and or learned something new, please support the channel, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.